it's iloveyoutrell, and today we are going to walk through my current skincare routine. So those who know me know that I have a fairly simple routine. I really try to do as minimal steps as possible, but I got some new skincare and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because I've been using it for just about a month now, and I feel like you can totally tell. Can you tell? I think you can. So I have been using the brand new Sweet July Skin skincare line by Ayesha Curry. Let me show and tell you guys why I love it. But before we get into the skincare, I gotta put on my cuffs, you guys, because this is the best thing since sliced bread. If you're someone like me who hates having water run down your arms, girl, invest in these because this is just gonna make your entire self-care process that much more enjoyable. First, we're gonna talk about this Pava exfoliating cleanser. Now, this cleanser, you guys, is so refreshing and cooling on the skin. Like, I feel like it's like giving my face a peppermint. So this is a very creamy and gentle exfoliating cleanser. It has guava and papaya extracts that you'll actually see throughout this entire skincare line. And it also has this really cool, unique blend of lychee seeds and mint. You can feel it actually like rubbing in and also like giving up that dead skin. And there's that pepperminty feel. I love that. That is like the best. Okay, so next we have the Pava toner, and when I tell you guys, I was a little bit skeptical because I have a skin condition. It's called seborrheic dermatitis, and anything usually freaks out my skin, and this surprisingly did not do that. I recently picked up the Sweet July reusable face rounds. I really wanted these because I was tired of all the little fuzzies and all that stuff left over. They're reusable, they're cotton terry cloth, and they come with this really cute bag. So all you have to do is just toss them in there and toss them in the washing machine. It's great. I'm taking the toner. This is a gentle exfoliant, and it has glycolic acid, papaya, and guava as mentioned. And this just is a really soft way to remove the dead skin off of your face after you wash it. So when I tell you guys, this is like perfect for sensitive skin, like my sensitive skin. I can use this twice a day. I don't use anything twice a day really, besides moisturizers. So this is good. And just so y'all can see, we're almost halfway done with this. I really use this, y'all. But the Ivory Power Face Oil, you guys, has to be my favorite thing out of this entire skincare line because this oil is not only very absorbent, it's very moisturizing, but it's very lightweight. So you can wear this underneath your foundation, you can wear this by itself, and it's just gonna give you this really beautiful glow. This oil has salicylic acid, neem oil, and turmeric root, which are really good for helping with congestion and inflammation within the skin. And because I have a skin condition, I'm always inflamed. I need something that's going to help calm and moisturize at the same time. And it's also fast absorbing. So I absolutely adore this oil. I think if you have oily skin, you would even like this oil. Like, it's not too heavy, but it gets the job done. I'll be putting this in my edges. That's how good it is. I just love it. That is it for my skincare routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. And definitely check out Sweet July Skin. It's one of the most calming yet effective skincare lines that I've tried in a long time. And y'all know I don't really try a lot of skincare out because I have sensitive skin, but this has been amazing. I've actually been told in person by strangers like, oh my gosh, you're glowing, and I'm just like, thanks. I know it's not just me hyping it up, but it's actually like doing something. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me use these products and getting my take on them, as well as just seeing my routine. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I do post every Tuesday and a Friday. But if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. It's also Lemon 8 and my website l.co.com because there's so much good stuff that you guys do not want to miss. But thank you guys for spending some time with me. I hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the self-care going and hit these nails, but I will see you guys in my next video.